Another great resource for preschool education, early childhood education, homeschooling, family daycare, related to STEM and math, and also great for development of fine motor skills, is this one. So these are all my beautiful, wonderful linking blocks. So I always take them to early childhood centers when I go, and if children visit me, I give them linking blocks or linking cubes to play. So what's great about these linking cubes is that they're easy to use, but still quite challenging for young children, because they might develop some grip. Yes, so it requires a little bit of physical force. For some children it will be easier to connect linking blocks than for others. Also, they're quite versatile, so you can see that cubes link together on all sides, and that's fantastic. That's really great, because they also can change like this, so they feature they add some flexibility. So for example, you can make anything you want. Yeah, so as long as it's kind of a shape that allowed by linking cubes. Most children make guns. Yeah, so that's the age group, and these linking blocks are attractive for boys and girls, so it doesn't matter the gender. However, boys usually play with linking blocks more than girls. That's what I noticed. So, and they start making dinosaurs. They might make robots. They might just be curious about this kinesthetic experience. As you can see, I am enjoying it quite a lot. So these cubes for ages 3 to 5, because of their size. So we have like a rule: if it's smaller than, I guess, egg shape, it shouldn't be given to young children. Although if you supervise your child, if it's one-on-one, I think you can give them linking blocks. Just supervise them as they interact with this resource. Now, what kind of things do linking blocks develop? So it's pretty easy to figure out. So first thing that they develop is a fine motor skills development, as I was saying. So that's pincer grip, that's just strength, so muscle strength and development, and school readiness as a consequence. So next one is they develop counting, because these blocks are easy to count. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, so you can encourage them to count how many blocks did they use to make something that they made. For example, a train. Yeah, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's also about making 10. So can you make 10 for me? Especially if you are using, like, let's say, same color blocks. So you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 and 10. So you can ask child to make 10 with yellow blocks and then compare as well. So this is counting, measuring as well. So you can measure anything with this block. So children in my center used to measure chairs, measure toys, measure each other, because it's quite a lot of blocks I have here. So the more blocks you have, the more things you can measure. So also you can ask them to make 100. Yes, so if they're quite challenged. You also can introduce addition and subtraction, especially at the end of this preschool age, or to advanced learners. So you can ask them to take away 1 block. Yes, so, or take away 2 blocks. Yeah. The other thing you can develop is hand-eye coordination. So they have to use their eyes and hands to actually put blocks together. Yes, so, and make things. So they have to use evaluation perception skills. They also recognize colors, but that's pretty basic. Of course, they do recognize yellow, green, and blue and white. Some blocks sets that are linking blocks, they might be of different colors, so which is also great. Other things that children might learn through manipulating this with these blocks are matching, so patterns. And about patterns, so it's pretty easy to just let them create their own patterns and observe, or you can role model patterns and ask them, but that's not play, that's more like teacher-led instruction activity. Other things they can design, yes, so and that's an important thing. So they can design patterns that are quite complex. So I observed children, and I found that the more they play with these blocks, and some of them play throughout the day, especially if it's a new resource in the group, so they can start making really extensive 3D shapes, because as I said, these blocks also twist around, yes, so and that's amazing. So that's what you can do with these blocks. One of my favorite toys for early childhood education and care. So apart from geometry, fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, STEM activity, yes, so and design activity, architecture, construction. So enjoy linking blocks, or linking cubes as they're called, and subscribe to my channel. Happy teaching!